Hey, welcome back all you DIYers. Today we're working on the kitchen project again and we're putting on a backsplash. Alright, so what we have here is like a PVC product. It's a plastic that is it came from an acoustical tile place. We're going to use it as a backsplash. Should be nice, easy cleanup and everything. Should be very easy to put in. So I already started cutting on this a little bit to get it put in place. They do have little pieces here for trim for the end pieces, and all you got to do is just put some construction adhesive on the back of it and stick it to the wall. So we're going to start on that. I'm going to start putting some of this on. The adhesive I'm using today is a Gorilla's heavy duty construction adhesive. It's an all-purpose fast grab is what it says, so I'm hoping it sets up fairly quick. It looks like here it says holds in 30 seconds, so I guess we can't waste any time getting this stuff on. Alright, so what we did is we went ahead and measured over and up, drilled the hole in here with our drill, and we're just going to make a small cut here. Kind of get an idea of where we're at. Then we should start working our way out from there. So there we are. We're about perfect for the side. And we can measure up from here and get the exact number we need. But these are simple enough that you just cut our hole a little bigger. Alright, we're getting really close here now. Now we want to make sure that we do uncover those holes for the plate to go back in. So. Alright, then after a few test fits, this is what we got here. Looks like we got everything all pretty lined up here, pretty close. Now we can go ahead and start putting on some adhesive on the back. I'll get that bottom one tucked down in there. I think that'll work. Always good to make sure everything fits before you start putting that glue on, because you're kind of set there. Line up the bottom. Bring it up into place. Start working our way across, pushing it down. There we go. And put our outlet cover back on. I think that'll work out just fine. Alright, I'm going to work on putting this cover the rest of the way on, and I'll start doing the rest of this down here. We'll show you what it looks like when we get done. Alright, so here we are. Finally, the last piece. This one was kind of a lot of cuts on this one to get everything in here. You can use a pencil on here to make these marks, and then a pencil just wipes right off. The reason why we kind of got these was they were so easy for cleanup and stuff too if something got splattered on it. So put some adhesive on the back of this one. And this bottom edge in there. Roll it right up into place. So there we go. We got a new backsplash installed. So hey, hope you liked it. Like I said, just go through again. Real quick, use the tin snips to cut all the plastic with it. I mean, this stuff cuts pretty easy with these. So, I mean, pretty easy. Scissors were pretty difficult to use, but hey, these work pretty good. Construction adhesive, take your time, shortcuts. And that's all. And you have a nice backsplash too. So hey, go down, like it, subscribe to it, share it, whatever you got to do. We'll see you next time. Later.